Okay, so today we are going to be replacing these rear shock liftgate assemblies. As you can see here, I have a ladder holding up my liftgate because one of these has failed. This one here that I'm showing you now seems to be fine, and the one on the other side seems to be broken. So we are going to replace these. So the first step that you need is you just need a simple flathead screwdriver. And all you do is you'll see up on these, there's these different little slots. And so, I don't know which side we go in from, this side. So all you gotta do is get that screwdriver under there, and then pop that out. And once you pop that out, the whole thing comes right off of there. So these are not difficult to get off at all. I already took the bottom one off. So once you take them off, then we'll just do the same thing and put back on the new ones. Okay, so I've gone ahead and replaced this right one. Sorry I wasn't able to record and show you how I did this, but literally, as I showed you before, you take these little tabs here, stick a screwdriver under there, pop them out, pull these off on both the top and the bottom. And then once you get those off, then you simply put these new ones on. So this is, I got these on Amazon. I haven't replaced the left side yet, but this is the ones that I got. I don't know, I guess that's Orama, but they had pretty good reviews, about 22 bucks, and I came with two of them. So again, I replaced the right side here. When you put these back on, you don't need to pop these little metal tabs out. You just literally take these, line them up, and give them a little push, and they'll snap right on there. There's really not a lot to it. It's pretty amazing how simple these little guys are. So anyway, both of these are on, and my liftgate is now not being assisted by the ladder, and it's going up and down just fine. So I'm just gonna hold on to the second shock. I believe that's what these are, but anyway, I'm just gonna hold on to the second one in case the other one does fail or I need to replace another one down the road. But otherwise, my liftgate is repaired. Good luck on your fix.